Is your business going nowhere? Are you looking for solutions to fix your problems? This is Grenville, your planning coach for all things business. I help entrepreneurs establish a profitable business using business planning. I do this with my step-by-step framework, summarizing my learnings of 27 years in corporate organizations, as well as setting up my own business from scratch. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you about the 3 problems I solve with business planning. Staying connected to the pulse of your business is the single largest problem of any entrepreneur. Current entrepreneurs would recollect the days when you started your business. You were involved in every facet of the business, whether it was recruitment, finalizing suppliers, sales, operations, and so on. However, as you grew and delegated responsibility to your employees and partners, your connectivity with some, if not all facets of the business has reduced, if not gone altogether. This is where business planning steps in. It would help you remedy the situation. As an inherent part of the process, business planning is connected to every facet of the business. The culmination of the monthly cycle is to have management sit down with main stakeholders, evaluate the numbers, and make informed decisions. Continuous focus on the critical parts of the business helps owners connect to the day-to-day. So this is how an effective business planning process connects the management to the day-to-day. The second major achievement you will be able to accomplish is aligning all the stakeholders to the business. When I say stakeholders, I mean all the employees of the organization. You will all agree that the level of commitment and in some cases competence varies from individual to individual. This creates a situation where they either embrace or circumvent a process being implemented, depending on their commitment as well as their fear of failure. One of the foremost tasks of the process is to educate every member of the organization and align them to the common goals set by the management. By design, the process allocates ownership and in turn accountability for their part of the business and measures them. This transparency in the responsibility and accountability helps keep the employees motivated as well as aligned to the overall process, as their individual failure could end up affecting the delivery of the final goals. The business planning process works on a collaborative approach to ensure the personal or sentimental element of the equation is removed and we focus purely on the goals. This is how business planning aligns every employee of the organization to the management strategy and direction. The third of the top major problems I fix is to align operational goals to the financial part of the business, which is profitability, meaning making money. In the end, whether you have a planning process or not, we are all here to make profit. The efficacy of a process will be decided with how much money you made at the end of the day. Business planning ensures that all decisions, whether in operations or strategy, or for that matter any facet, has to provide profit. Business planning evaluates each decision as we would a balance sheet and provides information to the management about the financial implications of those decisions. Thus, business planning ensures you make money with any decision you take, or at least understand that you are getting into a part of the business which is going to take away a bit of your profitability. So to summarize, business planning will connect the management to your day-to-day operations. It would educate and align the team to the common goals, and in the end, make the business do what it was meant to do: make money. I am sure you have learned today how the business planning process can help your organization address the chief problems of achieving profit. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and podcast as well. I am Grenville, your planning coach for all things business, and I will be back with another video on the benefits of business planning. Have a good day and stay safe.